O2 breakdance. Jette te basique. Creted int Bronx, Nisometi int 1976. B-boy your breakdancing en extreme lifen, yet difficudance tab boy en girl participatin. Breakdancing a tout forself expression, creating visual art, en ita even developed into en international sport. Follow the steps below to learn the basic element of breakdancing, the top rock, the 6 step, drop down, poem of, enfreint. C'est à autant open till, linoleum, or hardwood de surface. You can also use a large piece of cardboard on your surface like concrete. The main ita you'll be able to slide easily around surface of the material. Python athletics. Breakdancing is truly a sport à require physical exertion en athletic move. Make surtout vir comfortable. Os yuri pobi. Pick music with en UBA. Steady rhythm à flow you can feel. The most important aspect of the music is you feel inspired en RGZ beat. Knote basic terminology. One of the first thing en e-boy should learn it difference between breakdancing and boying. Boying it first term made to describe the dance, usually the term used when in the community. The term breakdancing was invented by the mainstream media in 1980s to market the dance. Recently, several performers have tried to reclaim the name boying for their performance. Dance can be boying whether performed male or female. But when describing a certain individual, the boy, male breaker, and girl, female breaker. All breaker have a nickname, such as boy darkness, boy clue, etc. A first, it should be too important, but it ain't long run when you want to gain a better hold of who you are a dance and gain recognition in your community. Note term T-shed. T-shed in the breakdancing worldement varié. It used to describe the 6 4-step movement à performer on the ground. When a b-boy movement are really T-shed, they are very complex and distinct. Do a drop. Transition to the floor with a coin drop. Twist your upper body with your arm tightly and around yourself. Bend your upper body over until your arm hit the ground. Once your arm hit the ground, you can swing your feet up into the air en transition into the ground or move. Naya knee drop. Bend your left leg deplie en place your right leg behind it. Get ready to catch yourself as you fall forward, making the move look like you are actually falling down. Catch yourself with your hands and allow your knee to hit the ground. You are not ready to move onto the ground or you be a backdraw or suicide. A backdraw, more commonly, and accurately, call a suicide, is a very advanced move that should be practiced until a person is comfortable with the basic element of breakdancing. Put a cushion of some sort such as a mattress to practice the suicide move and stand with your feet about or feet apart and your arm out in a T-shape straight out from your shoulder. Kick your right leg out in front of you and swing it back, simultaneously jumping forward with your left leg. Tuck your body in tight and essentially perform a front flip. Land on middle part of your back and proceed to move into your ground or team of you often performed at and off a sequence avel. Learn a poem of. Throw in a windmill. Kneel on the ground with your left elbow tight against your side and your right arm by right angle with your hand in front of your face. Place your hands on the ground and keep your left elbow tucked under your ribbon. You want your weight to be mostly distributed over your left forearm. Straighten out your leg blind you and hold your body weight with your left forearm. Raise your left leg up and bend your knee. Kick up your right leg, simultaneously swinging your left leg under your right leg. As you complete the move, push off the ground with your hands and roll over your left shoulder onto your upper back. Make sure your chin is tucked into over your collarbone during the step to avoid injury. Return to your home position with your arm on the ground supporting your leg in the air. No you're on will bont right side of your body. No complete the push off on leg swing on the side of your body, swinging your left leg and your right arm rolling over your right shoulder onto your upper back. Continuity transfer of momentum from left to right using your entire body, and you've completed a windmill poem of. Learn to the spin. In order to perform a spin move, you must first be able to hold a stand for several minutes and move your leg around it to falling over. Once you're able to perform the task, you're ready to try a spin move. Put on a bunny or a bandana to aid your spinning motion. Cross your leg en alternate swinging them in a circular motion keeping your upper body in on place to jet the fell off the movement. Keep your hands on the ground when just beginning to learn to move. When you're comfortable with that, begin to lay your hand lift off the ground and your leg and cross to allow yourself to spin slowly. Be ready to return your hand to the ground and catch yourself if you need to. With you spread your leg, the more momentum you will gain, causing you to spin faster. Concentrate on keeping your back straight and your neck safe. If you start to feel neck pain, take a break immediately. Show your strength to jacame. If you have a strong core, you can learn to jacame, to gain an easy move. Balance your body on your toe barin, with your elbow guide in your ribs and your feet flared out behind you. Then try to roll the hand and spin on the using the free hand to aid you in your spinning. Once you can spin without difficulty, you can move on to the up. Place bottom back down on the ground and incorporate small hops into your spin motion. You will not be rotating in a circle, you balance on two hands and hop slightly. Not a on off of the ground and push with it as you spin yourself with the toe. Shift all of your weight over to the balancing and place your pushing and behind your back. Bounce on and wheel spinning and you've completed jacame. Jacame en extremely arm of the tackle of strand, so don't be